they've been started, so they'll be done before.
Mama, last night I organized the refrigerator. All this stuff. And my Mama?
Yes. Good morning, y'all. It is like 11 something. And I'm late updating, like, get on the camera.
It's school
and cooking.
day.
Yeah, it's school day for Kaylin.
I'm happy.
She has an appointment next week, and I have an appointment this week. I have 2 next week, and it's 5 more weeks until the twins come. Like, that feels so weird. I feel like they're coming so fast, and Philip and Amaya are coming downstairs. I need to do something to Kaylin here, get them some clothes, and get her ready.
Wait, my hair's still like this. It looks like I...
Really, Philip?
What is it absolutely good for? Absolutely lovely.
Oh yeah, baby. I got it.
Alright, ready for school? Let's go. Come on.
Mommy, why can I be like you, Mom? I want to be a YouTuber.
Aww. She's upset. But we are actually in the car. We just dropped Kaylin off and Philip got his wallet. We have to go pay a few bills. Y'all look a hot mess today because, you know, pregnancy life. It be like that sometimes. But, okay, when we come back home. And, so yeah, we have to go pay a few bills and get a few things. Y'all, 5 more weeks. 5 more weeks. It's crazy. She's not happy. She is not a happy baby. Right. She's upset because she thought that we were gonna come home and she was not ready to come home. She's like been obsessed with like staying out because we've been in the house for a couple of days. But it's okay, honey. Huh? You tell him you got your edges? She was like, Mama, edges. Edges pretty, right? Open that cup all the way. And she got this Carter's bag that was carrying this thing in it.
Errands, nigga, feed a village in Liberia. TMZ taking pictures, causing my hysteria. Mama see me on BT and start tearing up. I'ma start killing.
Ready for some ice cream? Yeah? Ready for your ice cream? Are they good? Let me see that ice cream. Say, ice cream. I'm excited to take her to get some ice cream. Yummy?
No.
Yummy.
Got it, Mom.
Yeah, my baby wanted to do something, so came in here and got some ice cream for her. Having mommy me time, right? It's my baby. Good.
Good.
It's good. Here, let mommy wipe your mouth. Huh? That's good.
Just like
Your shoes, you want to show them your shoes? Yeah, I say it's hot. We can wear sandals today, huh?
edges.
Yeah, she said edges. Look at her edges. They messing up though, cause she was rubbing her face. But I need to buy some edge control gel. Just don't hold their edges. Their hair is just too curly, huh? Yeah. Lick some more ice cream. You wanna hold it? Okay. Good girl. All done? Put them in your hands in the dryer. Put them in the dryer. Okay, we won't have to do that then. You didn't like that one? Did it scare you? Okay, come on.
Monster.
It's not a monster.
I hear a monster.
It's a hand dryer.
Tiger?
Yeah.
Wow.
She's scared. You gonna go back there and play?
Yeah.
I think you gotta crawl over. I think that's how you get back there. But I ain't going back there because I can't fit, okay?
Okay.
She's like, I'm not going back there either today. What? You made it. Did you make it over there? I see you. I think Amaya is all played out and ready to go. Like, I think because it's like not so much she can do over here because she's still kind of little. It's 2:19. Kaylin got out of school at 3:15, so she got about an hour. Probably take her somewhere else to play. We do have to go to the store. What, Maya?
I'm right here.
You right here?
Yeah.
That's good. Huh? Oh no.
Hi guys, I had a good day at school, and then there was a note in my backpack, and it said I had to feed dogs. I had to give food for the dogs and get some chew toys. So that's why.
Her class pictures, because it's Kaylin's last year there.
Yeah, and my mom was so excited, and you know, like guys. This is so cool.
You look so pretty. Come on, let's go over there to your sister. Alright, y'all, so we're at Walmart and Maya took off her shoes. I don't know why. So Philip's over here trying to put her shoes on.
Get food here, Mommy.
What's up with y'all in the store? Something's wrong. Our kids, I think it's more of a candy thing because they always want to come to Walmart to get that. Especially if I did whisper because I didn't want Maya to hear me. Even though I feel like she's gonna ask as soon as we get in the store. Look, you got no hit. Amaya took off her bow, so she looked. Yeah, right.
Maya, do you miss me, Maya? Hey, go.
Let's go, look, ugly.
What's she scared of?
The birdie's gonna get you.
Wait, aw, she missed her sister.
Look, they got cup holders now.
I know, I saw, and phone holders. It says phone and, what you call it, holders. Mike, get that basket. This thing is lame. Talk about this is cool. Maya, you could have put your cup in there.
Oh my, let's go. Up. Right here, come here.
Wait, get let one person at a time. She's trying to Maya, carry the plate and get fall. Why don't you just walk? Make pick her up. Alright, so we're in the pet section.
What's wrong with this?
Ims.
Let's get it, Dad. Let's get it.
We're looking for. Are we looking for dog food or cat food?
We're getting
Either
dog
one.
food.
Kaylin wants dog food. Look at this bag right here, beef jerky.
Bacon bits. I don't know what that is.
Yeah, we're getting food for doggies.
Kaylin, which one?
Kaylin, which one you want to get? Here, look, let's get this.
No.
Maya thinks that we're getting a dog. Kaylin wants one.
You want this one, Kaylin? $12.
Yep, I want
Why don't you get something?
it.
All right. Kaylin, we shopping for a dog and we don't even have one yet.
Fucking dog.
No, somebody's gonna bring the
Oh,
dog.
they're gonna bring it to y'all school.
Here you go, Kaylin. You want for a little baby dog.
No, there's no big dog.
Those are bones. They'll eat them anyways.
Those aren't bones, they just chew them.
It says mini bones.
Yeah, you just chew them.
I know, but they're bones, Philip.
It's like that. You can't eat that.
You don't eat it. It's a bone, dummy.
Bro, you big dumb dog. He's so stupid.
He's stupid.
What's
Here, I'll get this. It's $4.
Is that good?
Is that good for you?
Yeah.
Feed your dog the bone.
All right, show the camera what you got.
I got this guy and I got this.
Shopping for your dog at school.
Yeah, dog that you don't have.
Well, but she wants one now.
No, we're getting them for the people.
Do you want a doggy, Maya?
Get out
We're
there.
getting one for
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, those for the babies.
Mommy.
Hey, all I need is one, bro. I
All those clothes, there's 2 bags. Your hat. If you sit there, we'll get you a piece of candy. She like, nigga, y'all be lying.
swear. Bro.
Did she scan it yet? Go put it on there.
Where?
Scan it. Did you already scan it? Alright. Hold on. Because we don't want to bag it. Get off the thing. I don't want you to hear y'all cry. Okay.
Mom, look at this huge.
Another package.
But what did it say?
It says mommy's name and address. Yeah, mommy's name and address. Alright, y'all. So we're at home. And these little girls are tired. Well, that one's tired.
Hi guys, we got box and box.
I know. Got into the box. And then we got the twins.
Yeah, my name is...
We got
Plastic dressers. I'm gonna go upstairs and put all these clothes that are right here in the dresser because those are clean clothes and they're already been washed. And then the new clothes. Yo, those are your shoes too. I'm not gonna put those in there until I wash them because the ones that are in there are gonna be already washed. I'll probably put them on top. And yeah, that's what I'm about to do. And Phil about to cook dinner early. What you gonna eat tonight? What did he say?
I'm gonna eat tonight macaroni and chicken, and I'm gonna get some Kool-Aid.
And Kool-Aid? Oh, you going to Daddy make Kool-Aid too? I'm tired. I just carry these bags upstairs. Phil put these dressers over here, and then now I'll go over there because that's where I'm gonna put the crib at. On that side on the wall. He put them over there. Look like I'm tired, y'all. He put them over there, but I think I'm gonna move them. Those clothes are not gonna be there, so probably slide them down a little bit because the crib is gonna be over here. And sorry about the mess. I'm just been lazy. Ain't went downstairs. Those are all clean diapers. So, but yeah, I think that's how I'm gonna do it. Yeah, that's how I'm gonna set it up. But I think for like now, I'm gonna leave it right there just for now because I don't feel like moving anything. And I'm gonna put the clothes in the dresser. I don't know what clothes I should do first. I think I'm gonna do the boy clothes. Then I'll do girl clothes because, yeah, so I can know how much boy clothes I actually have. But I know I still gotta wash clothes. Yeah, like for real, don't come for me because I know my bed ain't made. We woke up at like early, like 10 something, so didn't have time to do all that. But I'm about to set up this stuff real quick. It's a lot of stuff. No, luckily all of it's folded already. Rip the bag open. Whew. This is a lot of stuff, y'all. So my camera is dying. I was gonna do a little montage, but then I need to organize the clothes like from the sizes. So I'm gonna do that and then I'm gonna come back to y'all because I see all this stuff, right? Yeah, I gotta do all that. Is all done. This I need to get hangers for all his button downs and everything. This is newborn and preemie, and then this is sleepers, newborn 0 to 3s, and then 3 to 6 months. All this is 0 to 3 and 3 to 6 month onesies, and then preemies, newborns, and then 3 months. So I've got to do hers now. Man, my back is hurting. All this stuff here has to get hung up. All right, so Babe was down while I was upstairs organizing. He was down here cooking dinner. Is it yummy, Maya? He made some chicken, mashed potatoes, and green. Wait, what's that? Where's the green beans?
What green beans? I didn't know green beans.
Oh my God, I bought green beans and he didn't even make
them
it.
out. I ain't making it. Like, plain blank.
What about the mixed vegetables? I bought that too.
If it's not cooking out, I'm not cooking it.
Oh, here. I don't remember about to say green.
So I ain't cooking.
I thought I was about to say green beans.
Yeah, I heard you fixing your lips up to tell a lie.
Mama.
Okay, let me feed Maya because I didn't give her enough macaronis. We tired. No, we just made it upstairs. I'm tired. Whew. Me and Maya about to take a bath. Right. About to take a bath, Mama?
Yeah.
I'm tired. We just finished eating. My stomach, y'all.
Bye.
What you about to do?
I can get a bath.
Taking a bath. Alright, y'all. We'll see y'all later. Alright, y'all. Thought I was going to end the vlog in there, but me felt like tag team and bathing the girls, and then he got them downstairs. I'm probably about to relax, so I just want to show you what the drawer look like. Dresser. The boys. I only have one boy. Aiden's. So that's how his look. And Ava's empty. Got clothes here. I still have clothes downstairs. Philip just brought those baskets upstairs. I have to wash those clothes, but there's other stuff in there. But I'm about to just like low-key lay down and relax. And guess what else come on tonight? 11 Hip Hop. And I'll be watching that. Philip's recording that. But yeah, I'm about to relax. I think this blanket's clean. This is his blanket. But I just wanted to come on here and tell y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed our video. If you did, thumbs it up and subscribe. I will be doing a video on us organizing everything over there. Of course, the dressers will not be right there. We just have them there for right now. We're going to move them. But for right now, they're there. So we'll catch y'all in the next video.